The idea of a foldable iPhone has been floating around for years, but now the rumors are becoming much more serious. According to multiple leaks, Apple is finally preparing its first foldable smartphone, commonly referred to as the iPhone Fold, and if these reports are accurate, this could become one of the most ambitious devices Apple has ever built. The concept is simple but powerful. You take what looks like a regular iPhone from your pocket, unfold it like a book, and suddenly it transforms into something closer to a small tablet. When opened, leaks suggest the internal display could measure around 7.8 inches, putting it very close to the size of an iPad mini. When folded, however, the outer screen is rumored to be a much smaller 5.5-inch display. The idea behind this design is that the outer screen is used for quick tasks like checking messages, taking photos, or replying to a notification, while the main experience happens when the device is unfolded. One reason Apple has taken so long to enter the foldable market is that the company has reportedly spent years watching other manufacturers experiment with the technology. Foldable phones have been around for nearly a decade, but many still struggle with issues like fragile hinges, visible display creases, and awkward narrow designs. Instead of rushing into the category, Apple appears to have waited for the technology to mature before launching its own version. Recent leaks became more convincing when accessory manufacturers reportedly revealed metal molds for the device, something that usually happens months before a phone launches, so case makers can prepare accessories. The camera layout could also change, with reports pointing to a vertical dual camera system rather than the diagonal arrangement seen on recent iPhones. The back is also expected to include a MagSafe ring, meaning existing MagSafe chargers and accessories should still work. Another major change could involve Apple's authentication system. Several leaks suggest the folding design may not have enough internal space for the full Face ID hardware setup. Instead, Apple may bring back Touch ID, placing a fingerprint sensor inside the power button. Apple is also rumored to be developing a new liquid metal hinge design that could make the display nearly crease-free when opened. The device could also be extremely thin, around 4.5 mm when unfolded and roughly 9 to 9.5 mm when folded, making it surprisingly slim for a foldable device. Performance is expected to come from Apple's A20 Pro chip, with improvements in efficiency and AI performance. Leaks also mention a C2 modem chip with satellite connectivity, potentially allowing messaging or limited internet access even in remote areas. As for the price and release timing, early reports suggest the iPhone Fold could launch around 2026 with a starting price somewhere between $2,000 and $2,500, making it one of the most expensive smartphones Apple has ever produced. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.